Hello and welcome everyone, and in today's video I'm going to show you here about today's guys certain important things that is really related to help you here on the video about to be understood through what we would like to do and how we started to underestimate it. As you can see about that over here on the situation that we can start to help you guys through what we would like to do and how we started to underestimate it through what we would like to do about it. So as you can see, we are going right now to have Wells Fargo in the situation that we are going to have right now, something that is certainly very important thing that is related guys to be understood through what we would like to see and how we started to underestimate it through the situation that we can start to help you guys on this level, because it's really very important compared to what we have to think about it. As you can see, to go to the Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone, you can start to sign into your account. Then you can start to select a deposit on the bottom bar or use the deposit checks shortcut. That is absolutely how we can start to make a deposit on Wells Fargo, and it doesn't matter if it's going to be about that. Thank you.